Hey, it's Bailey with Twiddy and Company and your December 6th construction update from Leave It at the Door, 9-bedroom oceanfront in Pine Island Reserve.
So, gotta open this door first, okay? Open this door. Don't let it hit the glass. And then you just, you ready? And just push gently.
All right.
There you go. And then this door over here unlocks the same way. It'll open and you've got some kind of, so it doesn't just swing in the breeze. That's pretty heavy. That's probably going to take a pretty stiff breeze.
Here's a look from the 3rd floor oceanfront deck. Got your pool being put in. Pretty large size for a rental home here on the Outer Banks. Looking to the west, you can see the sound out on the horizon.